I changed hands here, I'm right handed. Hold on. Go.
I got your leg, chop your leg off.
Okay, come back in.
Flexible. Have you seen that in the Monty Python?
Fantastic.
You know the bit of meme?
I do, yeah. How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, day 15 of the 30-day vlog challenge. Here we're taking St George's Market in Belfast. I know I've taken you here before. This is Friday morning, and hopefully get some street, some photographs, some nice candids, and hope we'll see what happens.
They are 3 points each, or 2 for fun.
Make good photographs. This is a wee gift for my my soul brother, Hans Müller. He's mad on the Beatles. He's a fantastic musician and a fantastic photographer as well. So I think he'll love this here. Great artwork there, look. Classic. Okay guys, so put a crack in there anyway. But I think I got 2 photographs. I think the photograph of the child with probably his father and his wee brother maybe picking out the toys. I think that might work. Did they take any other photographs? Mine's wandering. Yeah, a couple of people of buying the vegetables. The lady with the bananas, I think it might have worked. Anything else? Don't know. Come on, go to Belfast here and take some more photographs. Look at there. No smoking, but it's chilly. What is it with me with this bike? Fuck's sake. Let's see. I don't know. I'm gonna switch the camera around here. Hold on. Taking the lock out. Key burst inside it. Opening up the lock and the key burst inside it. Fuck's sake. Huh? Oswald on Market Traders. And he's lent me a pair of pliers, so we'll see if this here works. Fuck's sake. Huh? But anyway, get back to you in a second. Okay, so the good news is the wee pair of pliers has done the business. Da-da. Extracted it like a tooth. Not that I've extracted teeth. That's wonderful.
Well,
So, got the spur. I'm just doing a wee vlog.
get it out.
This is the man here who's helped me get a YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I'm going to show you out here. I was fortunate enough I had the spur key on, but truthfully, see this here? I bought this lock when I got the bike, so that's what? Must be 2 months, maybe 2.5 months. And the keys, you can see the key starting to bend, and that's where I kept the spur one. So I'm going to take a nice and easy to get out, and I'm going to get myself another lock. There you go, lesson learned. And look, the wee man wouldn't take any money for me. He was going to take a spike, so I gave him £1 for good luck. And what he did, he gave me the pliers. That wonderful. What a lovely man. That's Belfast people for you. Happy days. Okay guys, bit of a change of plan. As I say, the market trader, fair play on him. Give me a wee pair of pliers. I was able to get the key out, which was fantastic, but I have a spare key which I tried, but remember I said it was bent. Cheap fucking shit, I have to say. But so what I'm going to do is I try to force it, and it started to bend a wee bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to look for a locksmith and see if I can get that key cut again. By hook or by crook, I'll get it done. Too good of a day, and I want to get some street photography done here. Meeting Sheena later, we're going out. So I want to get this done, and we'll try to find a locksmith. Not a locksmith, somebody with a pair of bolt cutters, and we'll get it sorted anyway. But what is happening here with my bike? Fall off it. Then went the other day, and now the lock. Well, here, that's good news. That's the 3 things out of the way. I'm happy there. Okay guys, so there's obviously there's a locksmith here, key cutting service. Victoria, I'll have a wee look and see if the guys can help me out. Hold on, see you in a second. Okay, so very nice fellas there. Managed to get a key cut. He doesn't know if it's going to fit or not, simply because obviously the thickness of it, there's like a wee bit of a lip on it. But he said try it anyway, and if it doesn't, like, I'll bring it back and he'll give me a refund, which is fantastic when you think about it, because it's you know, this day and age everybody's taking, but today I should be getting given. So we'll try this key anyway. Hopefully it'll work. You never know. Gonna get some street photographs. Whatever. Oh fuck! Nearly fell there. Right on cue. That would have been a good. That would have been a good photo. Pull the back out. Right, come on. What that beautiful day. Okay, attempt number 2. Brought the key back to the guys. They've trimmed it a wee bit to see if it makes any difference, and I'm walking back over again to try it on the bicycle locked. So I have to say, it could be a lot worse, look, and you have to look at life that way. You know, it's not like I'm not cracking open somebody's fucking cranium here to, you know, work on the brain, and or not opening up some heart, putting a few valves into it. Just trying to get a padlock open. So, but let me tell you, back in Belfast, fucking love it. I can see where we are. Just up that road there's the City Hall is. So right, fingers crossed this here's going to work. If it works, then I'll get back on the bike again. I'll head and see Sheena, grab a cup of coffee, and get some street photographs. Okay guys, just met Podrick here. He was out the side, and look, he went and got furry up liquid, put it inside the lock, and now back on the road. What a guy.
Very nice.
Thank you so much, Podrick. That's brilliant, isn't it? Great to be back in Belfast. Hold on, I change hands here, I'm right handed. Hold on. Go.
I'll get your leg, chop your leg off. Give me your
Okay,
flesh
come back
wound. It's your flesh wound. Have you seen that in the Monty Python?
Fantastic.
You know the bit I mean?
I do, yeah.
Okay guys, so listen, I had good intentions. I was going to be heading out to take some photographs, but because of time ran away with me, I couldn't. I got a cup of coffee there with Sheena, and then we decided to go for lunch, and then we had to go up and get Measle out of the vets. But when we got there, they actually said that these have to be kept in again. So we're going to possibly keep them in for 48 hours, but we have to check again on Saturday and to see what the situation is. But I was a bit gutted because at the end of the day we were so happy to get him home. But so I never got any photographs after this bit here, and it just obviously our priorities was to get the wee man sorted out. So
Okay guys, that's another video over. Thank you very much for watching, and wee bit of an update. Wee Measle, we called into the vet here, and basically they're still observing, keeping a wee eye on him because he's not going to the toilet the way he should be, so they're going to keep a wee eye on him. It's possibly going to be Monday before he gets out, so very disappointing because obviously we're worried about the wee man, but he's in good hands. See him with great vets, and we're going to call over and see him tomorrow, and we'll keep you updated on what's happening. But guys, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for all your comments and all your likes and the positive vibes that you're sending. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. You can check me on Twitter, and Facebook, and Flickr, and Instagram. All the links are down below. And as I say, tell you, see you in the next video.